Hey, what's up guys? Gangster Jeweler here. So today we are going to be working on fix broke link and chain. Well, that's not a chain, it's a bracelet. But I understand what they're saying. There's where it's broke at right there. Is that the only place it's broke at? Let's see. Well, this thing's pretty dirty too. Yeah, it looks like it's the only place it's broke at. It's right there. Huh. Well, I would say we could loop that in there, but I think a piece is missing. Yeah, well, that kind of sucks. Yeah, we got a huge chunk missing out of that. Well, that's fun. Okay. Well, normally here's what I would do. And then I'm going to explain to you why I'm not going to do it. So even though there's a chunk missing, normally what I would do is, you see, hold on, it's not focusing. I would normally, since it doesn't have enough to go through, I would just get some wire and weld it there and then loop it back through and attach it there on this side. But that's going to cost a lot more money, and this, I'm not saying anything bad about this store, but they don't want to have to pay. They want to pay as little as possible. That's just the way they are. So I know they're not going to want to pay to have all that done. So it looks like we're just going to weld this thing together. As much as I hate to do that, because it's going to cost a lot more to put some gold wire here, wrap it through, and then weld it on that side. But I know they're just, this particular store is kind of just like it's the west side, just do it. You know, maybe I need to make a t-shirt that says that. This is the west side, just do it. Well, that's a bummer. That is a bummer. Alright. Well, I don't know. Can I loop that through there maybe? I don't think I can. You know what? Let me see. Let's just see. I wonder if there's enough there that it can still loop through there. I don't know that there is, but it'd be nice if there is. Let's just see. Yeah, that's not going to go through there. As much as I would love for it to, I don't think it's going to go. Well, that sucks. That definitely sucks. Well, yeah. Well, that's shitty. It's not long enough to loop it through. Damn. Well, unfortunately, they're going to have two links that are solid here. Like I said, I would normally put a piece of wire to extend it so that could still be movable. But I know they're not going to want to pay for that. they'll flip out. So looks like it's gonna get seized. That sucks. But hey, sometimes you just have to do what the store wants, you know what I mean? And if you know the store don't want to... Hey, wasp is landing on my hand now. So if y'all didn't see the previous video, I've been under attack by wasp. Trying to put something there to kind of mark it so I know where it's at so I don't lose it. Okay. We're going to switch to a 4 tip here. That's a 3. I'd like a 4 preferably. Whoa. Hey. This wasp is getting too this wasp is getting a little dangerous. Is that a 4? No, that's a 7. Where's my 4 at? That's a 5. There's my 4. But yeah, this wasp is getting dangerous, boy. We're not going to need a very gigantic flame here. Let's go ahead and grab our boric acid denatured alcohol. There we go. Then we will go on ahead and light that on fire. Let that burn off. Let's get us a little bit of flux here. Stick on there. Alright, cut us some solder. Now just keep in mind, this is not, like I said, this is not normally how I would do this, but sometimes you got to know how the store is and what they're willing to pay for. And you know, I can't be giving out gold for free, you know what I mean? So sometimes you just have to do what the store's willing to pay for, whether you like it or not. Okay guys, let's go ahead and zoom y'all in here for the money shot. Make sure I'm aimed in the right place here. So there's our spot right there. Sorry, we need a bigger flame. We need bigger torch. Bigger flame, bigger torch, bigger something. There we go. There she flows. Alright, let's take a look at it. Let's cool that off real quick. Take a look at what we got here. Okay. It didn't turn out too bad. Could have been worse. Got a little bit of overflow there, but that's okay. It won't kill anything. Alright, let's follow that down just a hair. But you see what I mean now? How those two links are not going to be movable. But like I said, I would make it movable, but I know they're not willing to pay for the wire and all that stuff, so you just do what the store is willing to pay for. I like to do things the right way, or the best right way. But sometimes, depending on your stores that you're doing or who your customer is, all they care about is the dollar. They don't care what it costs, or I mean, how it looks or how it turns out. They're just worried about the cost. And sometimes you get what you pay for, you know. Alright, well, that's it for that. We're going to go drop this into ultrasound. I need to clean this up a little bit because it's pretty tarnished too, in the middle of them links and stuff. So let's go clean this up a little bit, and then we'll go buffer up. We'll be right back. Alright, we've kind of got them links looking a little better. We haven't polished them yet, but they're not as dingy as they were looking. So let's start with where we fixed it first, and then we'll go from there. Okay. Alright, let's kind of get this end part all polished up here. Okay, let's do this side here. Alright, now let's try to get the whole bracelet here. That looks a hell of a lot better than it was. Alright guys, We've got her polished up, looking good for the most part. A couple more links to try to hit here. Alright guys, got her nice, clean and polished. Let's go drop it into ultrasound and then we'll come back and look at the finished product, guys. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we are back with that bracelet or anklet, whichever one it may be. But we see we got it nice, clean and polished. Here is our spot. The hell, I can't even see it. Where the hell is our spot? Well shit, I can't even find it. Well, I was going to show you where it is, but I'm not seeing it. Oh, come on. That might be it right there. There we go. Right there. There's our spot. But at any rate, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. This is a Gangster Jeweler. This was fairly quick video, but I appreciate you guys tuning in. Appreciate the loyal subscribers. If you would like and subscribe, that would be fantastic. If you'd like to leave a tip or donation, the links for that will be down in the description. Although it's not required, just helps the channel grow and show some love. Every little bit helps. Also, if you're wanting me to do your repairs, you can visit my Etsy shop. I'll have that down in the description. And then also, if you're a business in the Jacksonville or Orange Park, Florida area, and would like for me to start doing your repairs, you can visit my, or just email me. Sorry. I'll have that down in the description. Just give me an email. And if you'd like, check out my live streams on Kick, Beam, Rumble, or Twitch. That's usually between like 5 and 9 Eastern time. And then also, if you would like to buy jewelry in the Jacksonville area, I highly recommend Money Miser on Blanding Boulevard. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Shout out to all the subscribers, especially the ones that were here early on. Alex, Robert Hunter. I know there's some others. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. This is Gangster Jeweler. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, y'all.